Hi guys, for today's vlog, I'm going to folding my dresses because it's so messy while singing. Untouchable like a distance, diamond sky. I'm reaching out and just can't tell you why. I cut out on you. I cut out on you. Untouchable, burning brighter than the sun. And when you're close, I feel like coming undone in the middle of the night. When I'm in this dream, it's like million little stars falling out your flame. You gotta come on, come on. Say that we'll be together. Come on, come on. Little place of heaven. Last night and I won't wait here all day. I know that you'll be saying that you're anyway. 'Cause you're untouchable, burning brighter than the sun. And when you're close, I feel like coming after. In the middle of the night, when I'm in this dream, it's like million little stars spinning out your name. You gotta come on, come on. It's gonna be together. Come on, come on. Little taste of heaven. You're in love. On the first day that we met, together we've been happy. I know that few regrets, the ordinary problem. It's not been hard to pay, but lately little changes have been slowly taking place. You're always finding someone wrong in what I do. But you can rearrange my life because this pleases you. You got to love me for what I am, simply